Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to download PDFs in Google Scholar, especially the some studies, research articles, and journals. So most of the time we find it in Google Scholar. Okay, now let's say for example, I am interested on piezoelectric effect or piezoelectric materials. Now, these are some of the list of the articles related to the topic that I'm interested with. So, in order, since I'm using only cell phone, I need to see its desktop's version. So, just simply click this one. Okay. Why I need to click the desktop site? Because I need to see the DOI number. Why? So, later I will teach you why. So let's say for example, I need this article, the piezoelectric sensor. So when you search that, when you click that, you will be prompted in this page or in this area. So as you can see, that area here showing us the abstract of the PDF. So every time I need to read the whole article, you need to buy it. Buy article PDF by 39.95. I think it's a euro sign. So this will be the price. However, we can access this for free using the Sci-Hub. This one. Let's go to Google and search Sci-Hub. And then you can choose different option, but I prefer this one. Sci-Hub, removing barriers in the way of science. So, base here, you need to just simply enter the URL or the DOI. But I prefer the DOI number. So, where to find the DOI number? Again, if you are using desktop, you can easily find the DOI number. But when you are using cell phone, better, you just need to click the desktop site first in order for you to see the DOI number. Where? So, it can be found here. Okay. Just simply copy the DOI number and then go back to Sci-Hub and then paste it. Paste and then open. Once you click open, this will be now the article. You just need to click desktop site for you to see it. So open. So this will be now the PDF file. Okay, this one. So we can access it for free using the Sci-Hub. That's it for today. And don't forget to share and subscribe in our YouTube channel.